Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you're doing good and resonating with the readings. Today, I feel you should chant the following mantra: Om Hreem Shreem Kleem Mahalakshmi Namaha. I repeat: Om Hreem Shreem Kleem Mahalakshmi Namaha 21 times in the evening between 6:30 to 8:30 by burning a ghee lamp in front of Mahalakshmi ji and offering her some sweets or chocolates. And then you can give it to you can also share it with your family members or with near and dear ones. But this is the mantra you should chant. And today I feel the color is pink. I feel some energies around you need to break, and positivity has to come. So that's the reason I feel pink. I had brought in Mahalakshmi cards last time and many people liked it, so I'm bringing in Mahalakshmi cards again today. That's the reason I felt that mantra chanting is a must in the morning. Also, if you can have bath with a little bit of rose water in your water, and then you can start your day. So let's see what is in store of cards, what is coming today. The first card which has come is Yamuna Devi. So purification, a beautiful goddess. But let's pick one more card also so that I can do a combined thing. That's a beautiful card and one of my favorite gods too, Shri Krishna. So let's see what is in cards today. Okay, so now Yamuna Devi, whenever she comes in reading, I feel that some form of money will come, and work wise also I see expansion. I feel she'll bring in a lot of clarity in what projects you should take and what new beginnings you should do. But at the same time, when she comes, because it's a card of purification, you also need to focus on your health. You also need to be clear that you are not overexerting yourself, and you are also at the same time taking care of your health, wherein Sri Krishna basically, Sri Krishna also comes when we need to know that we feel the world loves us, but we have to be careful from our own side also. At the same time, he also comes when health issues are there, but it is going to improve, it's going to become better. And he also comes when there is money and blessings are coming on your way. Because he has come, maybe you should even chant any of his mantra. I usually don't chant any of Krishna's mantra, but then I just hear the song Achyutam Keshavam whenever I feel like connecting with him. And somewhere I have felt that that song has always made me feel more closer to him and connected to him. So maybe you can also hear that song, the Achyutam Keshavam, and connect with this beautiful supreme god. And today the day is going to be abundant, but at the same time, because health is improving, don't be careless. Take little extra care of your health so that you become fit and fine more sooner. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Thank you.